and Jeff. And we need Helen Dobson from Gaze Mills, sponsored by Showing Excavations and County Line Excavations. And Carson Halverson from Brooklyn, the 2006 Mazda, sponsored by CNC Construction. And last, Nate Noggle from Brooklyn, the 2001 Buick Century, in memory of Mason Moglin. Folks, if you are standing in front of me and you are sitting on that white fence, our main priority today is keeping everyone safe. So if you could please just back off that white fence a little bit. One more time, if you are sitting in front of me and you see a white fence in front of you, if you could please just step back from that. Our number one priority today is keeping all the drivers safe and especially the spectators. One more time. Give me out now. Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! That's the number 33 car, Jackson Oil from Brooklyn. That is an unfortunate start for him. Thanks for coming on down, Jackson. That is the 1256 car, Carson Halverson.
Oh, that guy's gonna put it in reverse.
Number 65 breaks his stick off. That is Carter Reynolds from Sparta, sponsored by Cracks Auto Repair. We are down to the final four. We are in the money right now.
Oh, that was smooth.
In the 27 car, that is Hunter Dobson. There he breaks the stick off. Hunter Dobson from Gaius Mills. Thanks for coming on down, buddy. We're down to the 44 car, driven by Colin Simonson. The 713, driven by Dean Dahl. And the 44. 109, driven by A.J. Grott. Here's going to be the final three for this mid-size car round.
That's smoking. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's coming. Oh yeah. Oh god. It's so bad.
44 tips over the rock wall. Looks like 44 is a little hung up on that concrete block. Number 44 breaks off the stick. That's Colin Simonson. Thanks for coming on down. We're down to the final two in the mid-size cars. We have the 109 driven by A.J. Grant and the 713 from Dean Dahl.
Yeah.
109's back tire is not moving.
You see him?
Back tire's barely moving.
That's so bad.
If you're cheering on the 109 car, AJ Grotz, let him know. And if you're looking for that 713 driven by Dean Dahl to take the win, let him know.
Oh my God.
And the 109 takes second place. The 713 is your winner. The placings for the mid-size car are as follows.